Last weekend, we went wheeling and bent our tie rod. See where she's...
Yeah, she's bowed out.
There we go, right there. Yeah, that's a good angle.
Yep.
So we went to the parts store today and we scored... There's a dog sniffing my butt. I'm sorry. We scored a brand new tie rod and we went with the 95 Grand Cherokee tie rod, which is actually solid. It is strong. It is the way to go. It's compatible. It's just like disconnect, connect. Good thing that we shopped around because some places were charging a lot more. But we went to AutoZone, and for the long tie rod, the short tie rod, and then the adjustable sleeve, all of it was $110. And of course, we picked up a little extra goodie too, just to make our lives a little bit easier in the garage.
Buggy loves tools.
And we needed some anti-seize, so disregard that. But without those products, all three of these were $110 from the AutoZone and the P&W. So we're going to show you how easy it is to switch them out. So let's get to the garage. Let's go. So it's not necessary, but just to make our lives a little bit easier, and we have the great power tool to do it, we're gonna take the wheel off.
Bug loves the impact gun. Let's just get real about it.
It works. I feel like NASCAR.
That's right. There we are. Yeah, look at that lower control arm, guys. That'll be our next. She got bent up pretty good compared to that guy. That's what they should look like.
That'll be easy little fixie though.
I hope so.
Now that we took the wheel off, time to get the cotter pin out.
Yeah. Let's see.
So we're gonna use a 19 millimeter bolt.
That's it, girl.
Boom. Okay, we got her. 19 works. Don't need a mallet today. So we're using our new little gadget we got to get this tie rod screw out. Cool. So we just put a 3/8 ratchet on it.
That goes in the top. That's really cool design.
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh!
Just like that, Bug.
Thought I broke the shit.
Just like that, honey.
That's
Now,
such a good tool.
Was that not awesome?
Yeah,
That was
easy.
worth every penny.
It was.
Every penny.
100%.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
That scared you a little bit?
Scared the shit out of me. Yeah, what a badass little tool instead of just bashing it with a hammer.
Right.
All right, other
Especially
side.
if you want to reuse it, right? So you're not mashing the threads and stuff. It's just a nice little thing. Get it, Bug. Twist it.
Ah!
You know how to twist. You did it. You did it.
Okay.
Okay, careful now.
All right.
Cotter pin 0, Bug 1. That's it. Good job, babe.
Damn it. Oh, kind of rescued him. We need him. Oh, using the 19 again on the passenger side. There she is. Okay.
All right, now your little tool. Okay.
So I actually had to squeeze this thing behind this grommet.
Yeah,
So,
the rubber right there.
The rubber, yeah. Was it a grommet?
I guess it's like more like a it's what holds the grease in, kind of.
Okay.
It's like a grease sleeve.
Okay.
That's it. Oops, there you go.
Is this gonna pop again?
Yeah, it should.
Oh!
There you go.
Woo-hoo!
That's it, baby.
That gets me every time, but this
You love it, don't you?
is awesome.
Yeah.
What was it, like 18 bucks?
Yeah, that's the tool.
Next.
Okay, so now that we've got this one
is
out,
the
we're
old
gonna
one.
we're gonna measure from center to center,
Center to center.
so we can get as close as we can before we got to take it for an alignment.
And so what we did, a lot more technical off camera, but it came from center to the center. This guy right here is 42 1/4.
Okay,
And
that's what we'll set up our new one.
our new one. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Nasty.
see that?
Look at that, buddy.
Anti-seize. Yeah, look at those threads.
Those are beautiful.
Wow.
That's nice. Okay, and these guys go on here. Like yourself. You're gonna get that shit everywhere now. All right, on there. Like so. And then this guy. So he's reverse.
Reverse.
Yeah. so you can turn them and adjust them. So you can loosen your collar and turn your collar, and it'll
pull them.
Yeah,
pull them or
yeah,
separate
yeah,
them.
yeah.
Very cool.
Yep. Now, we want to put our little grease zerk in too. Should have had a little bit of Loctite for this, but
Loctite?
we just don't have it. So we just put them in there.
We're amateurs. I see a little...
Just a dabble of them on there, right? Just a little dabble.
Little dabble, do you? Keeps
3/16? 5/16?
5/16.
Okay, 5/16, yeah.
5/16.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Okay, let's take a measurement, see where we're at. So we're gonna go from center to, so this is gonna be, so that guy's gonna be in like that, right? And then this guy's gonna be up like that.
Oh, don't get it on that 32.
No, I don't want it.
That's a good shirt.
Okay, right in the center.
All right, let me make sure I am.
So we're supposed to be at what?
42 1/4.
Oh, we got a ways to go. That's 42 1/4. So we got to be clear back here, right?
Okay.
Okay.
So let's keep a screw.
Okay, hold him. Yep, you got him? Okay.
Yep. Keep a screw.
So
So you did it. Off
Yep.
camera, it's at 42 1/4.
Yeah, perfect.
All by measuring, just by messing with the sleeve.
So I guess we will start tightening those.
Okay. What size ratchet is that? I mean, size socket?
Lots of luck.
Well, yeah, and I forgot to set up the camera, but boom! New guy went in, I put him in from behind, put this little nut on. Then Joe was all the way over here.
Yep.
Put that guy in
Yep.
straight up.
Yep.
And we actually, in all honesty, we did have to screw it to make it fit. Like, we were measuring it on the table.
Yeah, I mean, it's just because it was getting floppy and loosey, but
Yeah.
it was really close. The wheel didn't move. And again, we'll have to get an alignment, but it's damn close.
Absolutely.
It's damn close.
She's in.
Yeah, she's in. So let's tighten her up, Bug.
All right.
And then we'll tighten up those the sleeve. Okay.
Sweet. Just using a 19 to tighten her up real quick. All right.
Get it?
Get a torque spec.
Okay, hold on, Bug. That was fun.
Okay, so online, these are the torque foot-pounds for what we're doing.
Yep.
Tie rod, clamp, tie rod to the knuckle, and then tie rod to the drag link.
Yeah, for the 93 to 98 Grand Cherokee V8 tie rod.
Perfect. Uh-oh.
Is it stripped?
That's way easy.
Let me see. Did we strip it?
Holy shit.
Oh no, we just stripped the fucking tie rod. Oh no, it's fucking ruined. Yep.
How'd that happen? I was trying to put 35 pounds of torque on it.
I think our torque wrench isn't working right. And we just fucking ruined a fucking
Brand new
tie rod.
tie rod.
I mean, it's... Yeah, it's completely stripped. Look at the fucking nut. Yeah, that's not good. Let's see if it's... Yeah, it's...
She's doing what the torque wrench told me. Lied to me.
Yeah, I mean, I just kept tightening and tightening.
It did. I got a breaker bar out, for crying out loud. We were so close.
So this one's a little different, isn't it?
So we went to O'Reilly's because they're the only one who had it. So a Master Pro, part number E3096L. You get to do the anti-seize all over again. So we gave up on our torque wrench. I mean, it screwed us over. So we got also we got a new torque wrench.
It's the exact same freaking torque wrench as our other one. Okay.
Now the new torque wrench.
Where's the new one?
Oh, hold the camera up. Yeah, we're having trust issues.
That's it.
Okay.
All right. Okay, is our cotter pin gonna line up there, honey?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, look at that.
That. Okay, so the other one was 55 foot-pounds, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Oh, it's working.
Yes. You still got your neck gaiter on. You're gonna be hot.
Feeling cool, though.
You're feeling cool?
So 55.
There we go.
Okay, now nice and easy with the torque wrench, right? So because you don't want to pull past it. Nice and easy, so it'll click. That's it. Woo! Nicely done, Bug. Nicely.
Still wheeling. Happy Memorial Day.
Yeah, Bug. Let's look at the Bug here. Oh my God! And let me zoom in on its face. Let's see if it's got anti-seize.
Right, we have to wash everything.
Yeah, that bitch is ready, Bug. Okay, Bug is setting the sleeve torque. Do you need a deeper socket, honey?
Yes.
Is that one bottoming out?
No.
The socket's bottoming out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let me see the thread.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, hold on.
Good job, babe.
He's off there. So he's got clearance all the way through.
100%. Good job, babe.